Hey, it's Kirby. Yeah, little pink guy or vacuum cleaner. In this video I want to talk about point of view when it comes to short stories. Now, point of view doesn't just apply to short stories. It also applies to novels and other pieces of literature as well. So it's really important that we understand the different types of narration. In other words, the different types of ways that the author gets information across to us. It's how, in fact, the story is told. So let's start with the first one. So the first one is first-person narration. This uses I a lot. You'll be familiar with it. In fact, there are short stories in our grade 9 unit that talk about this specifically, and many other short stories as well. It's where the author disappears into one of the characters. In other words, everything is told to us through that character's point of view. I see this, I do that, I went there, I did that. We possibly could be used as well. Next one is third person. So us, them, she, he. But also there's three subcategories of third person narration as well. So the first subcategory is omniscient. The author's all-knowing, all-seeing, and tells us the thoughts and feelings of more than one character, is inside the head of more than one character. Then there's third person limited omniscient. This is where the author is, again, all-knowing and all-seeing, except that the author focuses on one character, and only on one character. And the character's thoughts and feelings are what's really conveyed to us through this third-person limited omniscient point of view. And the last one is objective. The author only reports events like a security camera might. So stuck in the corner of the building, in the hallway, in the corner store. It gives us what's going on, but doesn't give us the thoughts and feelings of any of the characters. Each one of these allows the author to give us different information. It allows us to believe or not believe what the narrator is particularly saying or thinking or feeling. And it constrains us in some way because of what information we get and from whom. The one that's not talked about anywhere here is, in fact, the second person narration. And that's something that just doesn't happen very often. You do this, you go here, you saw that, you felt this. We don't often use that in narrating stories, and so we won't talk about it anymore.